Good afternoon uh, to all the Indian crypto community members. We have Caterina from Neo platform. So, Caterina, welcome.
Thank you.
So, Caterina, tell me how are you feeling? Is it your first trip to India?
Yeah, this is the first trip for NEO for myself to visit India, and I feel very honored to represent NEO and Da Hongfei to speak at the IBC conference. So Hongfei, he has some issues, personal issues, and unfortunately he cannot make the trip. Yeah.
So, can you share some plans of Neo in the near future and in the long term? What is the vision of Neo?
Well, Neo definitely is one of the platform out there that is quite established. We initiated the project in 2014. So after the launch of the mainnet, we have already operating over 2 years. So we have over 100 projects right now running on top of Neo. That's right. So also our community globally has been very active, and the size has been ever increasing. I think the reason for people loving Neo is because this is a platform very much tech focused. We are very much focusing also on the developer community building. I think we have one of the most active developer community worldwide. Some very well-known names like City of Zion, Neo Research, NEL, etc. Yeah. So the vision of NEO is, in long term, is to build a smart economy, and the goal of NEO, which has publicly mentioned by Da Hongfei, is to become the number one platform by 2020, number one blockchain platform by 2020. So yeah, this is a very ambitious goal, right? This very ambitious goal. So this number one doesn't mean the number one in market cap or the highest price. It means that we are very much committed to make NEO become the go-to platform for decentralized applications to build on. Yeah. And right now, we are working very hard to upgrade the platform, because in order to reach the goal, we have to really increase the TPS and also stabilities and many other features, technical features on top of the platform. And so far, all the platform out there, they have limitations. No one can really handle those real large-scale enterprise use cases. So in order to achieve that, in order to build a smart economy, new smart economy, we think it is very necessary to get ready to make the NEO platform get ready for the launch of the future large-scale enterprise use cases. Right now, we started the development of NEO 3.0. So this is a totally new upgrade of NEO platform. So in the aim to optimize the TPS and also stabilities, and will increase a lot of new API features. So we are also inviting the community, especially the developer community, to join the discussion. We will fully consider the concerns and suggestions from the community in order to reach consensus how to move forward towards the future new version of NEO.
One more question I would like to ask you, Katrina. Most of the people have this perception that Neo is the next Chinese Ethereum. So why people say that? Are you more China centric?
There are a lot of people regard NEO as a Chinese Ethereum, but we never really agreed on this name. We consider that NEO is very much different from Ethereum. And of course, we are all public blockchains, so we are competitors. We are a very strong competitor to Ethereum. But there are a huge difference technical-wise, and also the design philosophy-wise. So to make it simple, I just mentioned just a few of the major differences. And Ethereum, they are built on top of POW, and in future it will be a POS. And for NEO, we use a DBFT consensus algorithm. Yeah, this algorithm is created by our founder, Eric Zhang. So we consider DBFT is the best consensus mechanism there for us to reach the smart economy. And thanks to this DBFT, we are able to have very fast transactions because it only needs one confirmation for each transaction to be registered on the blockchain. And, and then it will not be forkable. And also, it has a very fast, perfect finality. And for each block, it takes only 15 to 20 seconds normally for the block production. And besides that, the design philosophy is to build NEO to be a compliance-ready or regulatory-friendly platform because we believe that we try to be more pragmatic. We want to let the blockchain technology to really benefit the real-world economic activities. So we try to bridge between the real-world activity with the future blockchain decentralized world. Yeah, and we can implement like a digital identity applications on top of DBFT consensus algorithm. So this will enable the financial institutions to do the KYC anti-money laundering on top of NEO platform. So in this case, we can really bring the real-world business onto blockchain. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Katrina, I would also like to know that what do you see? I mean, eventually for a good platform, good blockchain platform, what are the necessities and what are the important ingredients to be for it to be successful?
Well, I think the most important is about the team. We need to have a very tech-focused, dedicated team behind this project. And NEO has a very dedicated team called NGD. They're based in Shanghai. And I've been working with the team for almost 1 year. I'm very much convinced by the vision of the two founders. And I can really see that they are eager to push the blockchain technology forward and to improve the NEO platform. So this is also made me be convinced and be committed to the NEO platform, to the NEO project. And besides, secondly, I think the ecosystem, the community is very important. It's crucial for a public blockchain to be successful. And NEO is blessed to have a very active community. And they are playing important roles in the development. Like they are contributing, the developer community has contributed to build the wallets, the compilers, SDKs, and many other tools on top of NEO. And also there are non-developers contributing to our platform by translation all the documentations into over 10 different languages. There are designers, marketing specialists, everyone is contributing to the smart economy.
One last question. What is the mood in China? I mean, after the Chinese ban on cryptocurrencies, what is the mood out there? The trading has gone down, or the still people are trading and people are people belief is still there in cryptocurrencies.
The government actually they banned last year the ICOs in the aim to stop the scams. And also they banned the exchanges, especially those fiat crypto exchanges, and the mining as well. So for individuals, possessing cryptocurrency is legal, okay? And there are a lot of exchanges since the ban. They moved to overseas to the registration and still continuing operating. And the Chinese cryptocurrency community, blockchain community are still very active. You know, a lot of people are still trading in the exchanges. And we also see that more regulations are start being implemented by the government. And some certain areas in China, the local government is becoming more open-minded towards the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So they are planning, to implement regulations or certificate to allow regulated operations of exchanges.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Katrina from NEO. And I'm so glad, I'm thankful to you for valuable inputs, and our community is really looking forward to it. So thank you very much.